Jesus says, "My daughter, you have not said everything. I don't want you to leave out anything that I tell you about my will. Even the smallest details will benefit those who will come later. There have always been different types of sanctities and all kinds of saints to initiate them. Thus, there was a saint who initiated the sanctity of patience, another who initiated the sanctity of obedience, another that of humility, and likewise for all the others. I want you now to initiate the sanctity of living in my will." Dated November 27th, 1917. Jesus says, "O living in my will, it pleases me so much that in future generations I will make all other forms of sanctity disappear, no matter what virtue they are based upon. In their place, I will make reappear the sanctity of living in my will, which is not a human form of sanctity, but rather a divine sanctity. It will be such a high order of holiness that, like a sun, it will eclipse the most beautiful stars of the saints of previous generations. That is why I want to purify the earth, because as it is now, the earth is unworthy of such a wonder of sanctity." Dated November 20th, 1917. Yes, Jesus explained to Luisa that the holiness of living in the divine will is the pinnacle of our spiritual journey, and those who, in the footsteps of Luisa, learn to acquire this way of life will be greater than any of the saints in the past. This is not due to our own merits, it will in fact be due to having died to ourselves, so that God's divine will can find a home in us. Jesus says, "The sanctity of living in my will is totally selfless. This was the sanctity of my humanity on earth, and that is why I did everything for everyone without the slightest hint of self interest." Dated November 27th, 1917. Jesus says, "How can actions not done in my will please me, beautiful though they may be? They are always low human acts, limited acts. Actions done in my will, on the other hand, are as noble, divine, unlimited, and infinite as my will. They are similar to my own actions, and I ascribe to them the same value, the same love, and the same power as my acts." Dated December 6th, 1917. The Virgin Mary and Luisa have been used for the God's designs. Jesus says, "Between the two little ones, I must achieve the purpose of the creation of man, and I must realize my designs. By means of one, that is Mary, I must redeem him, wash him from the filth with my blood, and give him pardon. By means of the other, that is Luisa, I must return him to his beginning, to his origin, to his lost nobility, to the bonds of my will broken by him, and so to admit him once again to the smile of my eternal will, to let his will and mine embrace each other and live life the one in the other." Dated November 10th, 1923.